I don't like the word blind. We say visually impaired. They are not blind by their thoughts. They are just can't see, so they are having impairment in their vision.
There is an estimate of 285 million people who are visually impaired and 39 million who are blind in the world today. 90% of the world's visually impaired population live in developing countries. I have chosen to work with the Pune School and Home for the Blind Trust. To give you a better idea of what they do in this school, we interviewed Dr. and Mrs. Sharmila Gujjar, the administrator officer.
With their day-to-day activities, I do manage to implant in them their self-confidence. I want to open their eyes, go in the outward world, and they should manage themselves. Here our motto, here our vision is that people should not pity them, but people should think in this manner that they should give them opportunity to work. They can learn, they can improve their quality, they can perform, they have ability definitely. In spite of being differently able, they can perform.
We will now hear from one of the visually impaired teachers, Mrs. Dimple T. Ravi, who is the diploma coach.
सबसे पहले तो यही हार्ड है ब्लाइंडनेस. बोनो ब्लाइंड होने के वजह काफ़ी कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं हो पाता कि बोनो ब्लाइंड है, तो ऑब्वियसली पता नहीं होता है कि ये क्या है वो क्या है. सब कुछ चीज़ें टेक्टाइल से या फील से ही हमें पता चल जाता है, और बोनो ब्लाइंड पीपल को जब सीखना है, समझना है.
As these children are visually impaired, they have different methods of communication. This is how the children write. Using the black folder as a guide, they write in Braille. Just like us, they can write in multiple languages. Once he is finished writing, the paper is then turned over. There are a series of bumps which constitute the language of Braille. This is how these children read and write. Another way these children learn is by feeling objects. For example, during this lesson, the children are being taught different modes of transport. During this lesson, the children are being taught how many wheels a rickshaw has, where the driver sits, where the passengers sit, how many passengers can sit, where the steering wheel is, and what a rickshaw looks like.
पुढे एक चाक आहे, हो की नाही? आणि मागे किती चाक आहे? दोन चाक आहे. किती चाक आहे? एकूण किती चाक आहे? तीन चाक आहे. किती आहेत एकूण चाक? तीन. बोल बरं. आणि हे काय आहे? हे हँडल आहे. इकडे कोण बसतं? ड्रायव्हर बसतो. कोण बसतो इकडं? पुढे ड्रायव्हर बसतो गाडी चालवायला, आणि मागे कोण बसतं? Passenger.
In this lesson, the children are being taught shapes. For example, over here, the children are being taught what a circle looks like. As these children are differently able, we ask student teacher Mayuri what subjects they teach them.
What subjects do you teach the children?
कुठल्या विषयावर तुम्ही शिकवता?
इकडे म्हणजे ब्लाइंड मुलांचे ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स आम्ही शिकवतो. तर सायन्स सब्जेक्ट थोडा डिफिकल्ट जातो, कारण त्याच्यामध्ये जे प्रयोग वगैरे असतात ते त्यांना काही प्रयोग जे असतात ते नाही सांगू शकत आम्ही की हे असे करतात. ऍसिड्स उदाहरणार्थ ऍसिडचे वगैरे की कारण त्यांना इजा होऊ शकते त्याच्यामुळे, म्हणून थोडंसं डिफिकल्ट जातं ते शब्दात. पण आम्ही नाही म्हटले, मुलं खूपच हुशार आहेत, त्यांचा काही प्रॉब्लेम नसतोच, ते स्वतःच सांगतात की मॅम आम्हाला हे कळलेलं नाही.
To understand what these children go through in more depth, we asked Judy Barreto, a drama and arts teacher.
They understand, they listen, you don't have to repeat it too often. They're very concentrated, and what you can do with them in a week will take about a month with other kids.
Judging by the hole in the satellite picture, the ice we
Sighted people it's easy for them to move, but for them they need some sound indications and all, how to find each other. They learned how to fight, fight sequences like Bollywood, pulling hair and stamping. Their faces are very blank, so we used to sit in a circle and they would feel each other, the faces of sighted people who were being angry, and then they would use their hands on their own face. The result that the audience thought that they could see actually.
As a teacher, what is the hardest thing you need to teach these children?
The hardest thing is to remove the negativity of the mind. In spite of being differently abled, they can perform.
Aside from the academic world, how do these children learn life skills, such as cooking?
दिलं जात होतं जे डीएडचे शिक्षक होते ते ट्रेनिंग देतात आम्हाला आधी थोडंफार, आणि कसं काय आधी काय टाकायचं वगैरे ते सांगतात, आणि ते आम्ही लक्षात ठेवतो आणि थोडंफार अंदाजावर करावं लागतं, आणि ते आम्हाला बरोबर लक्षात येत राहतं, करून जमतं.
These children are also taught recreational activities such as cricket and chess.
जिसको दिखता है दीदी, तो अभी जिसको दिखता नहीं, मैं यानी तो मेरे को दिखता नहीं, तो हम यहाँ से टच कर से खेल सकते, टच करते हैं फिर हम खेलते हैं, क्योंकि हमें दिखाई नहीं देता है ना, फिर हम और सफेद और ब्लैक कलर का होता है,
ते कसं तुम्ही ब्लॅक कुठले
और सफेद पे डॉट होता है, और ब्लैक पे नहीं होता है, तो हम टच किया तो समझ जाते हैं हम व्हाइट है,
और डॉट नसेल तर ती ब्लॅक
आहे जी आहे. फुगीर साईड ही वरची पट्टी, ही आपल्याला खड्डा जो दिसतोय ती खालची पट्टी. तर मग आता फक्त उंटच आपला हे तिरका चालतो, वरच्या पट्टीतला जो उंट आहे हा तो असा तिरका चालणार, वर ह्याच पट्टीत चालणार कायम.
बरोबर.
सो शेवट पण जेव्हा पण मरत नाही तेव्हा पण किंवा काही होत नाही तेव्हा पण. आणि
ये एक्चुअली बड़ा बॉल है क्रिकेट का, और बहुत जड़ होता है.
त्याच्यामध्ये काय ते
सायकलच्या रिंग्स
नाही काय, सायकल मध्ये ते गोळ्या असतात, ते भरलेले
मोठी साईज आहे आम्ही राहिले. I'm not here all alone. I try to call your house, can't reach you on the phone. I'll gather up the nerve, I'm packing up my bag. It's more than you deserve. Don't treat me like a drag. I'm feeling like I keep on talking.
They have adapted their sense of hearing to make up for their loss of sight.
स्पर्श करायचं पण असतं.
These children are also very musically talented. We can firstly start by volunteering.
As people over here, as children of the 8th standard already have a teacher in English, I kind of like come here and I start playing games with them which will make them more familiar and more comfortable with speaking English on an everyday basis. And I feel that's going to help them more than just teaching them, because if you just teach them, it's not going to make sure that they speak English. This is kind of like, it's not a reinforcing of what they've done, but it's kind of like how they can enjoy the language.
Run, throw it away, run before the time.
Just like us, these children aspire to have careers.
प्रिन्सिपल बनण्याची इच्छा आहे.
मला लॉयर होण्याची खूप इच्छा आहे.
सॉफ्टवेअर इंजिनियर बनायची इच्छा आहे.
They take advantage of all their other senses: touch, taste, smell, and hearing. They read and write in Braille. They can play a variety of sports. They have dreams for the future. How can you help?
They don't want to be treated differently. They want to be treated just like sighted children.
हाथ में हाथ डाल के हम सब साथ चलेंगे. हम एक है, कोई अलग नहीं है.